Hello friends, and welcome to the viewing of a series on elements of cost. Well, the selling price of any product, be it a cell phone, a laptop or television, is ascertained as selling price is equal to cost plus profit. Thus, any manufacturer has to first ascertain the cost of the products manufactured. To ascertain this, he has to collect, record and classify costs into various elements and sub-elements into minute details. In the first part of this film, we will be visiting N.S. Rajurkar and Sons, a furniture manufacturing company, which will show us how the furniture is manufactured. We will see how a log of wood is transformed into aesthetic furniture. In the second part of this film, you will learn about the elements of cost and how costs are classified on the basis of its functions. In the third part of the film, you will learn about the format of a cost sheet. You will learn about how adjustment of stock takes place in a cost sheet and the items not to be entered in a cost sheet. The fourth and last part of the film asks questions to you which you will have to answer. We will now pay a visit to a furniture manufacturing company, N.S. Rajurkar and Sons. Please observe carefully all that is happening inside this factory. Well friends, in this clipping, you have seen various activities that have taken place in a manufacturing company, that is N.S. Rajurkar and Sons. What were the articles manufactured? A chair, table, door, wooden articles. What were the items used? Wood, cane, paint, polish, nails, lubricants, glue, cotton waste, and a number of other lubricants. Who were the people involved in the production process? We had the carpenter, the painter, the knitter, the security staff, the sweeper, and the storekeeper who were there. Who or what were the expenses for manufacturing? We had different expenses: electricity bill, rent, taxes, wages and salaries. So we can classify the costs into three basic elements. One, material, that is the cost of commodities supplied to the undertaking. It may be in the raw material form, that is iron ores, or iron sheets, or in the manufactured state, which may be iron bars or iron sheets. 2. Wages, that is the cost of remuneration which is paid to the employees, may be salaries, wages, etc. Thirdly, it is in the form of expenses, that is the services provided to the firm in the form of electricity, rent, etc. The basic elements of cost are materials, wages, and expenses. Now, you have understood the basic elements of cost. This ends the first part of the series. In the second part, you will learn more about it.